Wouldn't it be great if we had a function that summed up all the values between two bordering sheets? So these 2000, these 3000, and these 4000, resulting in these 9000 as a sum. This can be done with such a sum formula. Here at the beginning we have the name of the beginning borrowing sheet. Then we have this column, and eventually the name of the borrowing sheet at the end, followed by an exclamation mark and the name of the cell that we want to sum up across the sheets. Now these could be departments, could be legal entities, could be measures, doesn't matter, can be anything. You can put those in a backlog kind of thing. It will just naturally adjust the calculation for you. You can put these back in and it will just work out again. You can have blanks in here. It doesn't matter, it's just working out again. So this is really a useful tweak kind of formula to sum across sheets, and something you should definitely have in your repertoire.